Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwane. I just want to touch a bit of the stuff that happened in court yesterday. Uramosipile guys, I'm on Uguti is busy now opening a can of worms. Usukela lo baba lo enuyamazi ukuthi lo muntu uyakuthanda ukuthetha nje uvela beyikhehla elithethayo. Oze bo baba abadala bathanda ukuthetha kuze kweqa kurat. Ubusy nami ngiyafuna lamo AVL reports. Guys, those AVL reports are not going to help you with anything. Those AVL reports in the first place are fake. This is why vele ewafuna umnisi because ufuna ukwa expose vele ukuthi nina niqamba manga manje senithi iPolo it didn't have uma tracker and all sorts of things. Kanjani imove around imoto amaphoyisa ingena tracker ingena next. Uyabona ukuthi kuzoba gcina end up kube le story salengane zabantu ezu3 eshonile zamaphoyisa constable zase Free State. It's going to be the same thing. Ungazi ukuthi what's going on, what happened here, because you know what, people are lying. These AVL reports in the first place are not going to help us with anything ngoba amanga wodwa lawa. And uyabona ukuthi idriver ba ilo sosodelela kakhulu umukhana. Bamkhumula umuntu uthi bedelela kanjani court. Yes. I've never seen anyone. I've never seen someone who came to give a testimony. Nakhona ongangeni nowhere, like I'm saying ukuthi wonke lamaphoyisa, half of the police force has come to court to give testimony, but you are not at Makhumalo's house. Ufuna in lab. And you came much later, 3-4 years later. Usufaka ugininda nakhona secoachile. This is what you go to say. This is the case here to see Pet. That's what Girirapela told them. Chances are I wasn't there, but I'm just at the back of my mind. That's exactly what he said. He was like, Lalilan, Nina, munifika lapho nisho lento mina ngizonitshela yona. They sat down. So we're gonna be sitting for lies. And umnisi fine ke vele uzobatshela abantu vele where to get off. Ukuthi no vele nina namanga wamtshela vele uginento wakwade. Wamtshela go accuse number 3. What? No, you fabricated these things. False fabrication is the word that you used. What you fabricated? Pelu manufactured no cooking oga ngomezulu omunye nomunye nokwakhe. That works for them. What do you mean? What you it gets agitated, and my thing is that you cannot get angry if you are telling the truth. Please. You just say the truth. Nangoke uRamosipile eseqala. I also want them like a baby. Yabona umntwana mawukade uqeda ukukhipha amakhekhe. Ade ngafuni nini la amakhekhe nosweet. Nami singafuni ngoba ubona somebody uaphethe. Really? I was like, I know Ramosipile, you are so childish. Like, what is this now? Why are you doing this, bruh? Genelela kura. So says angaka ke wena uthi ungenaphi. Na ungeni nowhere. And how I was speaking to Unul, I didn't like it. And it happens now and then. And Umnisi about at this time. Uyitshela ilona strategy. Akamphendula urat. He doesn't backchat. Who is like, I'm not gonna be backchatting with you. Please stop. Like Gugubanalan. Who's on at the end? Who don't say busy? And are you coming now? Are you fine on the 19th? Guys, I've just told you, again 19, I'm ready. Why must you ask me 10 times? This was like, I'm ready. What's hard? Oh, guys, I'm not right. Udlalile nge-defense ubukisile futhi nge-defense uRazi ngeke umbone khuluma kanjani nobaloyi never ubaloyi bese eseyitholele la ku Ramosipile esethi are you done bra or usafuna a slice of the cherry again. Hey guys, I was just like, guys, it's a lot. It's just so sarcastic and childish. Like I can't. They're uncalled for. Really, and that court, there's no need. Like you didn't have to say this. There's no need. So Ramosipile naye uyasukelana. Angithi uyambona ukuthi uqalana noRat. There was no need. Into abengayenza uRamosipile ngoba really these AVL reports are not really going to bring him anything. Ngoba ezefortune avele zikhona. Ezephula manje kunestory nje. Story over story. So khona nje affidavit eqhamuka from SAPS around ukuthi no the Polo there was nothing. So I was still saying ukuthi uRamosipile into angabe uyenzile leyo information bengayithola ngesikhombisi if he just wants to study it, but plus like how I was saying ukuthi he's so good with things like that even in any case or AVL, those are his specialties even. So my thing was that he could have gotten it from Athuli Ekhote ukuba nanto, because honestly like it's not going to help him, like how Norata was saying because bro you done like with Kininda you done cross-examining him, you actually done with that. So why? You're like a baby. Like, what do you want? But my thing is that yes, they are going to help him in future. People says, oh, I need all of them need them. I'm sure. Kube khona benonxumala ngoba bathe siyawadinga. So it was reported ukuthi babhizi namacala abe-KZN, those people vele uzithulele nxumalo has been busy vele in Pietermaritzburg namanye ama-cases akhe. And uRathi uyambona ukuthi that thing doesn't sit well with him. Uzibambile, you could see ukuthi he wanted to say something, but I think the most important thing for him was like, yo Mnisi, is he gonna back down uzongishintshela ngapha nangu-ke ubrothers lo no-advocate Malisela Tefo naye uvele be-childish at times. I'm just like I'm supporting you, but manje what are you even doing? Ubukhulumelana ukuthi uzoze court, you never even came to court at all ngoba vele uRathi was going to throw you out. Guys, uShifuwa, uJudge Shifuwa Mamela, he threw him out. He did. He was like, get out of my court. When? Which wasn't right nakhona, because uMawumela ungakhohlwa futhi ukuthi uMawumela, I've always said ukuthi uMawumela was never asked to do this case. I don't even know how he bulldozed it. He did bulldoze it, God. And then he was rude that court engalaleli next. Mayesu sekhuluma nje lo mntana abantu who was trying to help, who was even saying in the other video the other day with the mastermind uPatricia Mashalo would listen. And I didn't even know that about him. Ukuthi he's into labor, not criminal justice. Those are not his things. I can specialize in those things. This is why he wanted to do this case for accused number 1, pro bono. But ngiyakutshela uRathi ubengeke azayimele leyo nto leyo. uRathi ubezomhlanyela. Ngoba yazi why at the back of his mind uRathi, it's like lalela fanele ngivele ngibe uShifu Mawumela. Ngeke ngimeke lo. Zomhlanyela uShifu phela kwamhlanyela so many times. You know why also uShifu wababe kanje? Labo ngithi babesola brown envelopes. And ukushilo lokho uyak-expose uTefu ukuthi khona amajaji, uthi amajaji are involved in making this case nje disappear isingazwakali njengoba ngingazwakali ukuthi kwenzakalani la court on Senzo Meyiwa's trial. He mentioned it on Sunday ukuthi no vele kunabantu lethi uzwa ngibona nami nginje aba end up asebengibophisa. And my thing was that if he came yesterday bezohamba futhi sebanjwe lama wardens cabanga semembamba plus SAPS people who were there bambambe bamkhiphile bandla. Uyabona ukuthi those are crazy things. You can't live your life like that. I think lama case akha wenze Braamfontein, how he was explaining ukuthi ubusy ne-labor case yase Glencore, some mine situation abantu ababexoshiwe in 2016, so he's standing up for them. I think he must concentrate on those things. He's actually very good and very smart, this guy. I like him a lot, but these childish things that he does now coming to court, those are not going to work. I think actually the best line here is for him to let go his case Senzo Meyiwa, where he can just help here and there, like how Patricia Mashalo was helping advocate late advocate Thulani Mngomezulu. He can do that. Ngoba uyasho to bekhuluma no Mnisi. And uMnisi uyambona sometimes uyatatazela, he doesn't know like how to handle it, how to do it. He is getting influence obviously from outside. Uyayibona loo nto. Therefore they can just give him that. I don't know what you guys think. Actually, please guys comment around, especially around this thing yokuthi therefore good for Mnisi at the end of the day. And uPatricia Mashalo, I'm telling you, he is speaking to Mnisi. Just we don't know and don't come out. Ubuka manje sasingazi ukuthi uPatricia Mashalo wayikhuluma no advocate Thulani Mngomezulu bana ma WhatsApp ibonile ngithi ngingifakile on the video before this one. Actually it's the WhatsApp yabo bekhuluma on the 15th of October 2024. They were talking MCs uPatricia uthi this is expose enza kanje wena, expose people, do this, do that. And wabhala lapho uMngomezulu ukuthi ngizo expose uBaloyi. Baloyi, yes, I tell you, I've seen inyoka in my life, snakes moving around, but Baloyi, I promise you, I am a python. Angazi ukuthi uyini. Ayikho umuntu ongacomplain ngoBaloyi, guys. And uRathi angeke uze umuze Mthethisi. Le nto nje ade seyisho kuRamasipila was that necessary? Masubuka wena. Ukuthi ayidani. Usafuna uqedelela yini i-cherry yakho mhlawumbe ufuna enye half. Like honestly guys, who even says that? And wayishulela uRamasipila blazi-ke ungakhohlwa futhi uRamasipila peace is his thing. uRamasipila doesn't want to be involved in any fight of any sort. It's just like, what? Mina ngeke ngikuthole next from me. Ngizobheka. Ekubuka uRamasipila. Uyaphendula yena here and there ukamphendula futhi asho athi no my lord kanje but into zokulwa is the same as uZithulela njengegama lakhe uNxumalo. Yebo sonxumalo. Hey umunye futhi naye lo akadlali. Yeah, those AVL reports you shouldn't have asked about them. Ngoba uRathi uzokuhlanyela. And uRathi ovela gaslight abe sarcastic in one sentence. I'm just like wow. Was that even necessary? And I like the fact that Advocate Malisela Telfo uhleli nje ku375 ukuthi hey those people are lying man, they are liars. There were no intruders in that house. Yes, I like that about him. And ngifuna nje vela ayilethe lo ndaba every time. But there's a certain way he can do that through Advocate Charles Mnisi. And Mnisi did mention ukuthi it's very strange. This way is weird. It's very strange ukuthi iFortuna was fitted with the AVL kodwa iPolo ayikwazi. Uyabona ukuthi labantu guys iqhophololo that they've done with this case is beyond me. Why can't they just tell people the truth? Yo, hayi yabona ngempela indaba ka-case 375 njengoba noMakhubo guys. Yo, oh my gosh, yabona ukuthi mangizwa lezo ngase kodwa senzeni emhlabeni. uMakhubo sewaresigna kaze police force. Uyabona ukuthi sesenkingeni ngo375 ngoba phela he is the one who was busy with 375 basically uzexashana eDPP yena noMaloyi noGininda. Wathi uGininda wena hlukana futhi wazomthreatenisha hlukana nalento yakho. They were actually intruders in that house. Wathi uMakhubo ayiwena there were no intruders in that house. Abantu abasendlini khona umuntu osendlini wadubula umuntu. Khuluma ngani? Resignile guys, yabona nje yazi siphelelwe kahle hle for now. I'm hope, always hope in this case, and I've always said things will turn around. I'm not giving up hope. Things will just turn around. It will be just one day. It will just turn around and be like, listen here, now 375 vele sizoconcentrate kuwena. Makhuba sewaresign police force futhi I get it where he's coming from. Wayesawarrant at the time. Usewaresign ngobani? Inkinga vele wayekade threatenishwa ngithi na last year yakhumbula ukuthi they came to his gate bashaya igate bangena, his son was there on his own, bakhahlela another gate like le ndlu ke manje like sort of like a door, like angithi ukubona izinto like there's a main gate and then there's a small thing ngathi gate that leads to now the door of maybe the sitting room. Bashaya lapho futhi again like ngathi kwakho lo alarm and stuff. Uzothi ubani did those things? Kunina abantu bethreatenishwa lana belandelwa ama-golfer white kufile ukuthi hayibo including YouTubers bakhona. I'm just like why sikeni ukubona. So abantu abasegrezana noMakhubo nje sisenkingeni ngoba uMakhubo can make a decision and be like andizi, I'm not coming to the court. So what's gonna happen? Yabona Mnisi needs to be strong. Let's just pray for him this week. We have 2 weeks. In fact, kusesimbeke nje uMnisi emthandazweni. Like someone was even saying to me la on the Sabizi ukuthi kudliwa nje umuthi kuleya court. Abantu bayahlafuna before they come to the court. You just like hayibo nenzani? What are you doing? Indaba njengakhuluma iqiniso nikhulule your lives and your family's lives nakameyo abakhululeke babe free ngoba olwamama I need healing guys. I need mina nje I really believe ukuthi yazi she needs some type of healing. Ukubona it's been a long time. Cabanga ukuthi wahamba ubaba wakhona, there was no closure. They need closure. They need to heal immediately after that. But kwangcono ke eventually nazasitshela iqiniso into esayizwa ayithi when the phone call came and said sidubulekile usenzo phela. Base abantu abafuna ukufika lapho abanye sebeshintshe manje bayeza ngoma ngithi you said I said the other day ukuthi uKheli manje eza like full on sangoma now. Kaze ngasho ukuthi ufihla lento wenzani ukonta phephethayo. I'm just like, why? Baba ingane yakho? Ayi mina ngabade ngasho kazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngaphuma nje ey'ntweni, ngamuva on ne-life yami freely, you know? I wasn't even gonna think about it twice. I wasn't even gonna listen to anyone. I was just gonna be like, guys, this is exactly what happened on the day. We apologize. Remember, I even made a narrative ukuthi back in the days, emandulo, kwakunokwenzeka izinto. Umunye abulala omunye, kwenzeka izinto. Kuvele kuthiwe, I know, it's fine, sizoxolisa Nkosi yami, sizozihlisa. Like I said ukuthi, why couldn't you just uMakhumalo do that? Susenzo mama and come and be like, hey, kwenzeka kwami Nkosi yami. Ubani owakwenzayo asimxoleleni. Back in the days, end up ungaboshwa nokuboshwa. Ngoba ama-families ayikhulunywa, khishwe inkomo, khishwe whatever. Xolelwane and be like, we used to read these things in the books. Bayazisho ukuthi that's exactly what used to happen. Although ayikho lento uzothi kubulaleni nge-mistake because bathi umthoko ma-iPhone awathi, sekwenzeka i-mistake, etshela uhlophe isibari sikaSenzo. Sedubulekile, akuyona mistake, guys. I just feel ukuthi akuyona mistake, but why can't people just tell the truth, guys? Yes, sometimes uvela ukhululeke ube free. Khona manje you can't even sing anymore, so vela waba isangoma. Why? Like, you understand? You sing here and there. People don't support you anymore. Like, it's not nice, nakhona futhi, because ukelunenga there's with 3 guys that you need to take care of. Besides Lega Senzo May, Uthingo naye abakhalayo Sifiso May ukuthi asimboni ngoba athi uKelly, that will be the day. Ngenibone. Guys, like, why? Sifika nini? I mean, that's just my thing. Like, why are we these people? Sifika nini esathaneni njengalo? Ngabe namkhulula umama abantu athole iclosure ngomntanakhe because she has an idea what happened to her child, uMakasenzo. She has an idea ukuthi kwenzakalani kumntanakhe, but she's just like, how? Abantu, they just keep on lying. Sizoke sime lapho, guys. For now, ngithanda over. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel.